of the week. Domestic flights would now be able to fly with 100% occupancy. The Civil Aviation Ministry approved air operation for scheduled domestic flights with 100% passenger capacity. So far, domestic flights were able to fly with only 85% seat occupancy. The government had previously restricted the number of passengers on flight owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. On said 18 September 2001. On September 18, 2021, the ministry had allowed 85% flying capacity. In the first 6 days of September, 2 million people traveled by air every day. Similar figures were seen in the month of August. In August, 65,026 753 people traveled by air in 57,498 domestic flights across the country, 33 higher than the number of domestic flight passengers in July. The central government had announced some relaxation in air travel rules from August following a reduction in COVID-19 cases. The government has announced hikes in domestic flights fare twice, once on June 21 and then once again on August 13. The Indian government has permitted the export of domestically made Russian single-dose COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik Light. The drug firm Hereto Biopharma Limited has been allowed to export 40 lakh doses of Sputnik Light to Russia according to a report. Sputnik Light, which is domestically produced here, has not yet been approved for emergency use in India. Though Sputnik Light is the same as compartment of the Russian vaccine Sputnik V, which is being used in India anti-COVID inoculation program after getting emergency use authorization from India drug regulator in April. Russian Ambassador Kushadev urged the Indian government to allow the export of Sputnik Light produced by the Hereto Biopharma, which is one of the partners of the Russian Direct Investment Fund RDIF, to his country till the vaccine gets emergency use authorization from India's drug regulator. He said that Hereto Biopharma Limited already has manufactured 1 million doses of the Sputnik V and 2 million doses of the Sputnik Light. But the 6 months shelf life of vaccine may expire before its registration, which will result in the wastage of vaccine doses. Siam Biosciences AstraZeneca vaccine has been included on the World Health Organization emergency use listing, said Bharat advisor to the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration, Mr. Bharat said. Rogério Gaspar, director of the Regulation and Pre-Qualification Department with WHO, told Alberta, director of UNICEF's Supply Division via letter, that Siam Biosciences AstraZeneca vaccine has been certified and was listed in WHO emergency use listing on October 11. The letter said the vaccine was checked by the WHO and Therapeutic Goods Administration of Australia, a regulatory authority of the vaccine. Britain is erasing its travel rules so that travelers from other countries can easily enter the UK. Indian citizens were already allowed entry into the UK. After the new rules, now Indians who have taken both doses of Covishield will no longer need to stay in quarantine upon reaching Britain. Britain said the red list would be limited to 7 countries and the proof of vaccination from 37 new countries and territories, including India, would be organized from 4 AM on Monday. According to the new guidelines, the British government has expanded the vaccination delivery system to 37 countries and territories around the world, including India, South Africa, Turkey. Let us tell you that the British government had issued new rules a few days ago. It was said in these rules that a person arriving in Britain after Let us tell you that the British government had issued new rules a few days ago. It was said in these rules that a person arriving in Britain after travelling from some other countries, including India, will have to stay in quarantine for 10 days and also have to undergo a test of COVID-19. Not only this, those who have taken both the doses of the vaccine were also made mandatory to remain in quarantine. India had strongly objected to this rule and said that it is a discriminatory rule. Subject Expert Committee or CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, has approved giving Covaxin to children aged 2 to 18 years. SEC has sent its recommendation to the Drug Controller General of India for their approval. Phase 2nd and 3rd trials were conducted in India on children aged 2 to 18 years in September, and the trial data was submitted to the Drugs and Controller General of India (DCGI) at the beginning of this month. Covaxin's trial was done on 3 age groups. The first group examined by between 12 to 18 years, the second group was between 6 to 12 years, and the third age group was between 2 to 6 years. At first, we finished the examination of people aged between 12 to 18 years and then subsequently other groups. Covaxin vaccines safely and immunity are almost the same. However, the final result of these trials are awaited only a very mild infection. However, the final result of these trials are awaited only a very mild infection is present. In a few children, it is milder than the common cold. Bangkok's Ramathibodi Hospital has been equipped with the country's first ever antigen test machines, which have been tested for their accuracy. The two Japanese developed Lumipulse's G1200 machines donated to the hospital by the CP all are now ready for use after being tested for 2 months. At least 500 samples were tested to verify the machines' accuracy and efficiency. The machines are widely used in airports in Japan for COVID-19 screening due to their 35-minute test result turnaround. The machines are widely used in airports in Japan for COVID-19 screening due to their 35-minute test result turnaround. Faculty of Machine Hospital said the machine produced a 98% result for sensitivity and 100% for specifically. Dr. Ikawa said these results are much better than the antigen test kit and are very close to the World Health Organization recognized RT-PCR method. For negative cases, it is still more reliable than the ordinary antigen test kit. He said that the machines are likely to fit well with the government's plan to open the country next month, especially given that each machine can screen a lot of people with a short period of time. These were the top news of the week. Keep connected to the Indo Thai News.